What's going on, family? Welcome back to the channel. So today I was so excited to make this video. I was like, oh my God, finally I got good news and I cannot wait to tell everybody all these update videos, and now the time has finally come. But there's always something. I'm going to give you guys an update. I stopped giving the updates initially because I felt like they were just monotonous and repetitive, and it was just the same thing. It's like, you know, I almost felt like I didn't have a car anymore at this point. So I reached out to them 2 Fridays ago, and this is how the conversation went. Hey, what's going on, man? I'm calling to check on the Z06. Any update? Yeah, I was just about to call you. So I talked to the guys over there, and they told me that the parts are on back order. They're on back order? All right, man. Well, okay. All right. I appreciate it. So at that point, I was so frustrated that I didn't even ask any more questions. I was just like, all right, okay, whatever. So then I go ahead and get in contact with them on that Monday. So over the weekend, I had some time to think about it, and this is how that conversation went. Hey, man, so I noticed that you said that the parts were on back order. Is that just for the 342 gears, or is that for all of them? Oh, yeah, no, it's just for the 342s. I know we talked and you said you just wanted the 342s. I mean, we can do something different if you want to do something different. Give me a little bit of time and I'll think about it, and maybe I can see what I can do on my end as well. Yeah, no. Okay, that's fine. I'll go ahead and keep you updated, man. If I receive any news, I'll give you a call back. So then that occurs on Monday. I go through the week. I think about it, like, do I really want some different gears? I do a lot of highway driving. I didn't know if I wanted the 342. I wanted the 342. I didn't know if I wanted to go up to a 390 because I do a lot of highway driving. I asked a few people on Facebook, and, yeah. So after I finally made my decision, I got in contact with the dealership to see if they were able to get the gears, and they weren't able to get the gears. I tried 2 dealerships and was unsuccessful. So then I decided to go ahead and give them a call back. And this is how that went. Hey, what's going on, man? So how long are the parts on back order for? I know we talked earlier in the week and you said that they were just waiting on the parts. So I guess in order to make a decision, I need to know how long it's going to be. Oh, yeah, I meant to call you, man. Hey, so I do have an update. As a matter of fact, they are going to get the parts in either today or on Monday. So they should have it sometime soon. Oh, okay. That's good news. That's great. So if they get it on Monday and they put the car together, once you guys get it back, how long would it take you to do what you need to do? I mean, it's going to be about 2 or 3 days. I mean, once we get it back, we'll try to jump right on it. Hey, while I got you on the phone, we're going to need some money, and that way we can, pay those guys for doing the work that they did, and we make sure that they're taken care of over there. Oh, yeah, I mean, that's no problem. But I thought we discussed that I was going to pay cash. How do you want me to send you the cash? I have no problem doing it, but I just need to know how. You know what? Yeah, we did talk about that. Hey, let me give you a call back later on, and we'll figure something out. All right, man. Yeah, just give me a call back. So then the day goes by. I don't hear anything back. So then I have to call back again. And this is how that conversation went. Hey, what's going on, man? Hey, I didn't hear back from you. I just wanted to see what was going on and if you figured out a way for me to get you that cash. Since I'm in Illinois and you're in Texas, did you figure anything out? Because I don't want this to hold up the process. That's the thing. I really want my car back. Oh, no. It's not going to hold up the process, man. Go ahead and don't worry about it. We'll go ahead and get everything taken care of. But yeah, no. And as a matter of fact, I'm in the meeting right now. I'll give you a call back tomorrow. All right, man. Yeah, just give me a call back. But, make sure you don't forget. No, I won't, man. I'll give you a call back tomorrow for sure. So that took place on Friday. Fast forward to today when I'm recording this video. On Thursday, I called them to get another update. This is what happened. Hey, what's going on, man? Calling about the Z06 to see if there's any update. Oh, yeah, man. So we have everything put back together, and he's out test driving it right now. So as soon as he comes back from test driving it, I'll just go ahead and give you a call and let you know. So a few hours go by. and it's getting close to closing time, and I haven't heard anything back. So I decided to call back again. I have to keep calling. I don't receive a call. I have to keep calling. I don't like bugging people, but it's like I have to. I can't stop by, and I think that's kind of what's taking a long time. But I called back, and here's what happened. Hey, what's going on, man? So how'd the test drive go? Is the car ready to go or what? Because I want to make sure that I go ahead and book this flight and get out there as soon as possible. Because, I don't want to wait any longer. So what happened? Well, so he was out test driving it, and about halfway, throughout the test drive, it started overheating. And, he pulled off to the side of the road and let it cool down. And then when he got it back to the shop, we noticed that there was antifreeze coming out of the radiator cap. Right, it was overheating. The car has never overheated before. What you said it's the radiator cap? I've never had any issues with the car overheating or with the radiator cap. That's just kind of weird. Yeah, So what I did, I went ahead and ordered a new radiator cap. I did go with an AC Delco, and that way you get the original equipment, because sometimes when you put, those, aftermarket caps on there, they just don't do well. They don't handle the PSI the way they need to. Okay, so when is the cap going to be there? Well, we were hoping that the cap would be here today, but it doesn't seem like it's going to make it. So hopefully tomorrow it'll be here. You guys typically get parts the same day you order it through Amazon? Yeah. It just depends on if they have drivers available or not in order to get it over to us. I think they were a little short today, so it's probably going to be tomorrow. But once I get it tomorrow, I'll give you a call about 10 a.m. All right, man. Well, make sure you give me a call, and that way I can book a flight and get out there immediately so I can get the car. Do you think I should book the flight now? And that way it'll be done by the time I get there, or what? So that's how the conversations went over the last couple of weeks. I'm ready to get my car back. I'm getting a little frustrated because I don't understand why the car is overheating in the engine bay if you're messing with the trans and rear diff. I did have someone mention that the cooler lines going to the transmission and to the radiator, you have to take those off, and that will cause the antifreeze to leak out. And so more than likely, you do have to put more fluid into it. You do have to put more antifreeze into it, but I don't understand what happened to the cap. I've drove that car so hard, and I haven't had any problems with the cap. It's so weird. So that's what's going on with the car. It's been a day full of emotions. I thought the car was going to be done, and it's not. But the rear diff and the transmission is done, and it's back together. So we'll see what they say about the engine, about the overheating. I don't know what else it could be. When I broke that axle, or when I broke the output shaft, I immediately got off of it, and nothing that I heard happened to the engine. But I guess you never know. So we'll see. You guys stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button. I appreciate you watching, and you guys have a wonderful day. Take it easy.